Western Shore County this month despite interest rates in the normal range and hopeful pundits talking about prices falling. It's Friday, April 12th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Many areas are hitting new record high prices and some areas are seeing more inventory coming on the market, but Maryland still has a deficit of 160,000 units for the demand. Rentals, however, are plentiful as more developers are building more rental properties instead of homes for purchase, keeping would-be buyers from home ownership and the potential wealth building benefits. Lower price counties are seeing prices pushing higher and faster as folks are going further out to obtain more affordable housing. Allegheny County rose 21% year to date to $139,100. Anne Arundel County is up 6.6% to $469,000 median. Baltimore City increased 6.3% to $209,950. Baltimore County rose 11.8% year to date to $341,000. Calvert County homes are up 2.3% to $419,700. Carroll County rose 6.4% to $426,888. Charles County rose again this past month by 9.5% year to date to $442,990. Frederick County rose 9.3% to $469,950. Garrett County prices are up 36.6% year to date to $478,000. Harford County is up 9.3% year to date to $369,990. Howard County enjoyed an 8.9% increase to $550,000. Prince George's County prices rose 5.2% to $428,000 median. Montgomery County prices rose 4% year to date to $556,500. St. Mary's County prices are up 5.1% year to date to $386,100. Washington County is up 7.9% to $300,000. Presently, there are 2,002 rentals available. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 12th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week.